This is the installation of a combination door. Things we've done previous to this, we have made sure our opening doesn't have any burrs on it, any old broken screws. Everything is level, everything is square. On the combination door, we made sure we have 2 packing clips on the storm door that are intact. We have 2 packing clips on the jam side of the lock side of the door. We have 1 packing clip at the bottom, and at this point we need to remove our one at the top. It's the packing clip at the top that needs to come out. We've also made sure that our seal on the outside, whether it's putty, butyl, or foam tape, is to the edge of it where it can take direct water. Step this in. And make sure that whatever, pick a side and make sure that you're starting off somewhat square. We're going to shoot the bottom inside of the door. Okay. I'm going to shoot the 4 corners of the door. Now we're going to take a level, make sure we're still square. We are square. Shoot the other corners. So right now we're not worried about the internal door. Now we're going to finish on all these screws. We're going to screw in every single hole on here, making sure if you have butyl, that the butyl is pouring out over and you're getting a good seal here.